In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Google Drive file without access. Here's the straightforward truth. You can't open a Google Drive file without the right permission. That's exactly how Google's security is designed, and there isn't a legitimate workaround to bypass it. If you see a page that says you need access, the system is doing its job, protecting the owner's content. Any site or person promising a secret hack is either misleading you or putting your account at risk. So what can you do? Start by understanding why the block happens. Usually the file's owner hasn't granted you permission. You might be signed into the wrong Google account, or the link you received is restricted to specific people or set to private. Once you know that, here are the legitimate ways to get in. The most reliable move is to request access directly from the link you were given. Open the link, click Request Access, and wait for approval. The owner will receive an email letting them approve or deny your request. Adding a short note that explains who you are and why you need the file can speed things up and helps the owner verify it's you. If you need it quickly, contact the owner or the person who shared the link and ask them to adjust the sharing settings. They can either switch it to anyone with the link if that's appropriate, or add your email address manually so only you can open it. This personal nudge is often the fastest route, especially for time-sensitive work. Next, make sure you're using the correct Google account. Many of us juggle personal and work profiles. Click your profile picture in the top right corner of the page. Switch to the account that should have access and try the link again. Finally, check your Shared With Me section in Google Drive. Go to drive.google.com, look at the left sidebar, and open Shared With Me. Sometimes the file is already there, even if the link you clicked doesn't open properly. If you see it listed, open it from that view. To wrap up, there's no safe or legal way to open a private Google Drive file without permission. Only the owner controls access. Use the request button, reach out to them directly, confirm you're on the right account, and look in Shared With Me. Follow these steps and you'll either gain access the right way or know exactly what to ask for.